I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, reverse. I can't dance. But that's okay, because I'm still popping, because I'm still out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm still doing my thing on the YouTube slang, you feel me? Natural Noni out here, what's good, y'all? Hey YouTube family, so I'm back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? Or if you're a new person on my channel and you're just seeing my face for the first time, pause right there, hit the subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss out on any future videos from me. Now for this video, it's kind of going to be like a part 2 of my first clip-ins, no leave out video that I showed you guys how to wear your curly hair clip-ins. These are from HerGivenHair, and I show you guys how to wear them without leave out because when I bought these, I knew my texture wasn't going to match, so I've been trying to find hairstyles that I can do with the hair where I don't have to have my hair leave out, my hair left out. So I showed you guys that one first, how you could wear it with a curly bang. And no hair was left out, so I'm gonna link that video in the description box and probably like up here in the cards. And then I got such a good response from you guys from that video. You guys wanted me to show you different hairstyles that you can do with these curly hair clip-ins without having your hair left out. And I got inspired to do this hairstyle because I saw a picture on Instagram of a young lady. She had her naturally curly hair out and she had a headband on, like a headscarf on. And I said that was so cute and it would be super easy for me to do with my curly hair clip-ins. So here it is, you guys. I actually really like it. This is my first time doing this hairstyle and I'm really glad that I recorded it. So I hope you guys really like it too. I have another curly hair clip-in video with no hair left out that I want to record. So if you guys want to see another video like that from me, just let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you like this style. Let me know if you're going to do this style in the future for yourself. Just let me know what you guys think. I love hearing your feedback. Yeah, so I'm just going to stop talking and skip right ahead to this video. Make sure you like, comment, you share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!